Hi, my name is Dana Willoughby, and today I'm going to talk about refugees and internally displaced persons in Pakistan. Why, how many, and where are they? So first we need to start off with what is a refugee, an internally displaced person, going to be known from now on as IDPs. So a refugee is someone who has been forced to flee his or her country because of persecution, war, or violence. Whereas an internally displaced person is someone forced to flee their homes but never crosses an international border. Why? Why do we have refugees and IDPs? Especially in the area of Afghanistan, they are going to be escaping war and conflict. A lot of the refugees that came to Pakistan started in 1979 during the Soviet invasion. We've also seen quite a few refugees during the Afghanistan war, especially 2009 Operation Black Thunderstorm. Refugees and IDPs are also trying to escape persecution. We have seen a large increase in IDPs, especially in Pakistan, because of natural disasters. Earthquakes and flooding has driven them out of their homeland. So how many? First, I want to talk about IDPs. The numbers of IDPs likely underestimate the scale of displacement. They do not include IDPs living in KP and FATA, as well as IDPs living in other parts of Pakistan. There is also no regular monitoring of IDPs in Balkistan. So if we look at our chart here, total IDPs in camp is only roughly about 10,000, whereas off camp is 1.1 million. As far as refugees, Pakistan hosts the world's second largest amount of refugees, and they were first for this, but now have become second only to Turkey after the Syrian war. So currently there are registered 1.5 million refugees. It's estimated that there are another 1 million unregistered that are not being kept track of. So the UNHCR is the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. They've facilitated the return of 4.2 million registered Afghans from Pakistan back to Afghanistan. We can see from the map here just the repatriation from April 1st to November 30th in 2007. Almost 60,000 individuals were repatriated back to Afghanistan. While many Afghans return home, there are still hundreds of thousands of them in Pakistan. But because of security concerns and political tension with Afghanistan and Pakistan, there has been an influx in refugees returning to Afghanistan recently. Where are they? So most IDPs live in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the FATA, federally administered tribal areas. Punjab and Sindh, which are Pakistan's two richest provinces, have expressively refused to host IDPs. When we're speaking of refugees, 70% of them live in rural and urban host communities rather than refugee camps. While Afghan refugees have access to public schools and hospitals, they often face police harassment and find it difficult to rent properties.